everyone, welcome back to a new video of how to log in. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can sign up for your Bitcoins account. Keep watching the video till the end. To sign up for your Bitcoins account, firstly open up your Bitcoin application. The official page of Bitcoin application will appear on the screen. Enter your email address and click on an arrow icon. By continuing, you will agree to the terms and conditions of Bitcoin. An email will be sent to your email address for confirmation. Open your Gmail and tap on Mail sent by Bitcoin. Click on Continue. You will be signed up for your Bitcoins account in no time and the home page of Bitcoin will appear on the screen. This is how you can sign up for your Bitcoins account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.